When you're creating a new performance benchmark, you need to defy a few conventions. Starting with the first ever inline 3-cylinder engine in a sport side-by-side. 998 cc's, 12 valves, dual overhead cams, ultra lightweight forged pistons and new high-strength connecting rods, and a high-tech dry sump lubrication system for a more compact and lower-mounted engine. And air intakes mounted high up in the chassis, plus foam primary and viscous paper secondary filters, feeding 3 huge 41mm throttle bodies into an aggressive 11.3:1 compression ratio, and out through a performance-tuned 3-into-1 exhaust, including equal-length head pipes to equalize cylinder efficiency. All for lightning-quick throttle response, jaw-dropping power, and fantastic mid-range torque, all the way to a thrilling 10,500 RPM redline. Real-world tech, unmatched engineering for proven off-road performance.